Hi everyone, Brian from Pivotal here, and today we're going to take a look at getting up and running with Riff, an open source function service designed to run on top of Kubernetes. While Riff can run on any Kubernetes deployment, today we'll be setting up a local development environment using Minikube and Helm. Let's get started. First, we'll need to download a couple dependencies. We'll need to install VirtualBox to run our Minikube VM, as well as Docker to build the container image that will run our functions. Both of these can be downloaded from the respective websites and installed using the provided installers. Next, we'll set up Minikube and Helm. We can install both using brew, using the command shown on screen, or if you'd rather, you can grab the executables from GitHub. Once installed, we'll start Minikube, giving it a little more memory than what's default. Finally, we'll get the server-side component of Helm running. Now that we have all of our dependencies up and running, we can install Riff. Thanks to Helm, we can do this easily by letting it know about the repository that houses the Helm chart for Riff, updating our local Helm cache by getting the latest information from the repository, and finally installing Riff with the Helm install command. The Riff command line tool can be downloaded from the GitHub repo shown on screen. We'll go ahead and make it executable and put it in our environment's path. Finally, we can deploy a basic function to Riff. You can find the repository for this demo and more in the GitHub repository shown on screen. Before we do, however, we'll need to set up our Docker environment variables, as well as get the address of the HTTP gateway for Riff. We'll make note of this for use for later. Once we have that, we can build the image that will run our function, providing a name, version, and location of our code. Once built, we'll deploy our function using the Riff apply command, again providing the location of our code. Notice the function and topic created in the right-hand terminal. Lastly, we'll call our newly created function using the Riff HTTP gateway, passing it the argument hello world. You'll notice the first call will take longer than the rest, as it needs to spin up the container, but each additional call returns much more quickly. With that, we have our local Riff environment up and running on our laptops, as well as our first function running on top of it. Be sure to check out the Riff demos repository for more examples on how to develop on top of Riff. Thanks for watching.